Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone meets requirements and that you're signed into your Apple ID. This is essential because Apple Arcade ties to your account and payment method. Once done, make sure your device has enough battery or is plugged in to avoid interruptions during downloads. Next, open the App Store and tap the Arcade tab. This takes you directly to the curated catalog, so you can begin exploring titles immediately. You'll now browse and decide which games to play. Use categories, search, and quick previews to compare experiences because time to play matters. When you find one, tap Try or Subscribe. Confirming the subscription unlocks the entire catalog, and enabling family sharing includes others without extra cost. After subscribing, tap Install on any game. Downloads begin immediately and appear on your home screen, so you can monitor progress and prioritize the games you want first. You're ready to play? Launch games from the home screen or the Arcade tab, and adjust controller pairing or iCloud save options inside each game for continuity across devices. To manage costs, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Subscriptions to pause or cancel. Doing this immediately affects access at period end. If a game fails to open, force quit the app and App Store, restart your iPhone, and confirm you have enough storage and a stable network. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.